show you how easy it is to make and how I make homemade butter. And it's real simple. It's messy, so be careful because it can get messy. But anyway, today I'm making beef stew, and I'm going to make homemade rolls. And I thought, you know what? I'll top it off with some homemade butter. How wonderful. So you're going to need 2 pints of heavy cream. You're going to pour them right in your mixer with your whisk attachment on. You're going to pull this down. Now it's going to get noisy. After I plug it in, it'll get noisy. You're just going to want to mix it. Well, that makes kind of some funny noise. Anyway, you're just going to want to mix it until it starts to get thick. And that won't take long. Okay, it's frothy and getting thick. Now is what you're going to want to do, is you're going to want to cover it. Unless you've got one of those covers. And you're going to want to turn this on. Let's see, let's back this up so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to want to turn your mixer on with this towel on it, full blast. Turn it on high, and you're going to let it go for exactly 3 minutes. So I'm going to turn this on, set my timer, and in 3 minutes I'll be back and show you. Okay, friends. Lift this up. Move this a bit. There is your butter, right there. And in there, down in there, is your buttermilk. Save it. Use it for your baking, for your recipes. It's wonderful. Okay, so with that, we are going to unplug this. It makes an atrocious mess, but this is fantastic stuff. Okay, so we're going to take this out of here. Give me 2 seconds. I got to move this. Move my camera a bit. And then I'm just going to get a plate. And I'm going to put, my hands are clean. Let's put this butter all down on here. And then we've got to squeeze the excess buttermilk out of it. Okay, I'm going to set that aside because I'm saving my buttermilk. Okay, so with clean hands, you are going to want to see how that comes out of there. You're going to want to give this good squeeze. See how that comes out? There's no need to rinse it. Okay, some people think you got to rinse it. You don't got to rinse it. Just squeeze the excess out of it. And it works very nice. There we go. Now you can shape it in any way you want. You can put it in little containers that, you know, shape it nicely. Me, I just put mine in a cute little bowl like that. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it harden. But this will be wonderful. I'm going to let it chill. And of course I'm going to have to soften it up a little bit before I spread it on my muffins, but this will be wonderful for my homemade biscuits, not muffins. So there you have it. It's that easy. Just a little bit messy. Give it a try. You'll love it. Thanks for watching.